Good morning, students. Yesterday we have learnt about value added method, its steps and precautions, and today we'll see that what problem can come while doing calculation by value added method. So one problem is there, that is problem of double counting. It's already discussed in one of my lecture that double counting means counting more than once of the same product or expenditure in calculating national income. कि जब हम value of output की calculation करते हैं, not value added. So one example of farmer is given already कि farmer ने wheat grow किया, then it sells to miller and miller sells to baker. तो अगर हम value of output की हर अलग अलग step पर calculation करेंगे तो wheat will be counted 3 times and flour will be counted 2 times, and that is the problem of double counting. So to avoid double counting, we only take value added and not value of output. So double counting always gives false picture of national income, so we don't take value of output. And to avoid problem of double counting, there are mainly two approaches. One, final product approach, second is value added approach. And either we take value of final goods or we take value added of each production. Each production unit should be estimated in national income. तो दोनों में से एक हम फॉलो करते हैं, या तो फाइनल प्रोडक्ट की वैल्यू ले लेते हैं या वैल्यू एडेड, हर प्रोडक्शन यूनिट की वैल्यू एडेड को काउंट करके हम उससे GVA-MP और GDP-MP कैलकुलेट करते हैं. सो स्टूडेंट्स, वन इलस्ट्रेशन आई एम गिविंग यू, एंड बाय वैल्यू एडेड मेथड, so you have to practice all the questions given in your book according to this formula. So this question is there. I have written this question. Sale tax 25, some of the items are given. Sale tax 25, consumption of fixed capital 5, closing stock 10, corporate tax 15, opening stock 20, sales 540, purchase of raw material 140 and subsidies 0. So value added method, how to start? Value added method. So yesterday I have told you that it is to be started from GVA-MP. GVA-MP is equal to value of output minus intermediate consumption. Intermediate consumption. Value of output again divided into 2, sales plus change in stock. Change in stock. Now we'll see the question that what is given here. Sales is given here. Sales is 540, that is 540, plus change in stock, closing minus opening stock. Opening stock. Now see, closing stock is 10, opening stock is 20. 10 minus 20, that is negative 10. So 540 minus 10 and minus intermediate consumption, that is raw material or inputs, purchase of raw material. So at point 7 you can see the purchase of raw material is for rupees 140. So we'll minus 140. Now we'll solve it. 530 minus 140 is equal to 390. And in this question we have to calculate NVAFC. NVAFC. Find out. This is our question. From this from these items we have to calculate NVAFC starting from GVA-MP. So value of GVA-MP is 390. So next step, we will convert GVA-MP into NVA-MP. Step by step we will continue it. NVA-MP is equal to GVA-MP minus DEP. DEP is consumption of fixed capital. You must learn it's the other name of depreciation. So 390 minus 5, that is 385. Now we have to find out NVAFC. NVA-MP we have found out. Now to convert in FC, NVAFC is equal to NVA-MP minus NIT. And the formula of NIT I have already told to you, indirect tax minus subsidy. Indirect tax, now we have to see which is indirect tax in this question. Sale tax is indirect tax. One more tax is given here, corporate tax, but it is direct tax. We are not to take it. We have to take sale tax because it is indirect tax, that is 25. And subsidy is not given, that is 0. So NVA-MP हमने यहाँ पर फाइंड आउट किया था 385 minus 25, that is 360 answer. NVAFC is equal to 360. So students, one illustration I have given you, and following this formula you can do all the questions very easily. So value added method I have explained to you. If there is any problem in any of the question, you can ask. And next I am starting income method. Second method is income method. How we will define it? The income method measures national income from the side of payments made to the factors of production in the form of rent, wages, interest and profit for their productive services in an accounting year. कि एक accounting year में जो भी फैक्टर्स को इनकम दी जाती है, पेमेंट्स की जाती हैं, किस किस फॉर्म में, एज लैंडलॉर्ड गेट्स द रेंट, लेबर गेट्स द वेजेस, फाइनेंसर गेट्स द इंटरेस्ट. तो रेंट, वेजेस, इंटरेस्ट, ये जो भी फैक्टर्स की इनकम है, इन सब को जब हम ऐड कर लेते हैं, देन वी गेट नेशनल इनकम बाय इनकम मेथड. सो व्हाट आर द स्टेप्स इन्वॉल्व्ड? फर्स्ट, आइडेंटिफाई एंटरप्राइजेज which employ factors of production like land, labor, capital, enterprise. Second, classify factor payments into various categories. जितने भी factor payments हैं उनको हम अलग अलग categories में divide कर लेंगे, like wages, interest, profit and mixed income. One component is mixed income also. I will tell you later. Estimate amount of factor payments मेड बाय ईच एंटरप्राइज. हर एंटरप्राइज द्वारा की जाने वाली पेमेंट्स का हम जो अमाउंट है उसको एस्टिमेट कर लेते हैं. देन सम अप ऑल फैक्टर पेमेंट्स मेड विद इन डोमेस्टिक टेरिटरी टू गेट डोमेस्टिक इनकम, NDP-FC. तो जब हम सभी फैक्टर पेमेंट्स को सम अप कर लेते हैं तो हमारे पास आ जाता है NDP-FC. एस्टिमेट NFIA और NDP-FC में डोमेस्टिक इनकम में जब हम NFIA ऐड कर देते हैं, देन वी गेट नेशनल इनकम एंड द एग्रीगेट फॉर नेशनल इनकम इज NNP-FC. So in income method also there are some precautions we have to take while measuring national income by income method. They are only factor incomes which are earned by rendering productive services are included. All types of transfer incomes like old age pensions, scholarships, allowance, unemployment allowance, these are excluded. These are not included. Again, sale and purchase of second hand goods are not to be taken. These are excluded because second hand goods are already counted in that year in which year they were produced. एंड बट जो कमीशन है सेकेंड हैंड गुड्स को सेल परचेज पर जो कमीशन है दैट इज़ अ फ्रेश सर्विस एंड दैट कमीशन इज एडेड, दैट कमीशन इज इंक्लूडेड इन द measurement of national income. Next, imputed rent of owner occupied dwellings and value of production for self consumption are included, but value of self consumed services are not included. Self consumed services होती हैं just like a housewife, he is rendering service to all the family members, her service is not counted. We are doing parental jobs, we are serving old people in the family, or we are repairing something in our house, हम कोई रिपेयरिंग वर्क खुद कर रहे हैं, तो इन सब चीज़ों की सर्विसेज की जो वैल्यू है वो हम ऐड नहीं करते हैं, सेल्फ कंज्यूम्ड गुड्स को लेते हैं, सेल्फ कंज्यूम्ड सर्विसेज को एक्सक्लूड कर देते हैं. नेक्स्ट, इनकम फ्रॉम इलीगल एक्टिविटीज़ लाइक स्मगलिंग, ब्लैक मार्केटिंग, दीज आर एज वेल एज विंडफॉल गेंस. विंडफॉल गेंस में आती है लॉटरी की इनकम, तो इनको हम बिल्कुल इंक्लूड नहीं करते हैं. किसी भी चीज़ को हम इंक्लूड करते हैं या नहीं करते हैं, व्हाट इज़ द क्राइटेरिया बिहाइंड दैट? द क्राइटेरिया इज़ वेदर इट इज़ एडिंग टू द प्रोडक्शन ऑफ गुड्स एंड सर्विसेज और नॉट. एज इट इज़ एडिंग टू द फ्लो ऑफ गुड्स एंड सर्विसेज, कि अगर गुड्स और सर्विसेज का फ्लो बढ़ता है, प्रोडक्शन बढ़ता है, दैट मस्ट बी इंक्लूडेड, और अगर नहीं बढ़ता है तो दैट विल बी नॉट इंक्लूडेड. अगेन, डायरेक्ट जस्ट एज इनकम टैक्स जो एम्प्लॉयज़ अपनी सैलरी में से देते हैं, कॉरपोरेट टैक्स जो फर्म्स अपनी इनकम में से देती हैं, दीज आर इंक्लूडेड. हमने अभी लास्ट वाले वैल्यू एडेड मेथड में इनको इंक्लूड नहीं किया था, बट इन इनकम मेथड दीज विल बी इंक्लूडेड. एंड वेल्थ टैक्स, गिफ्ट टैक्स, ये एक्सक्लूड किए जाएंगे क्योंकि इनको हम अपनी पास्ट सेविंग्स में से पे करते हैं, and it does not add to the flow of goods and services. So students, do learn daily, do revise daily whatever is taught, only then you will be able to understand these methods of measuring national income. That's all for today. Thank you.